Okay, next we can go ahead to attach back this wire, yeah, to here. Yeah, this wire this way. There's a keyhole here. And there's the screw will go inside this hole, right, into this. Okay, then if you take a look here, this is the brush. Okay, this is the brush. This brush is to prevent the dirt and dust, you know, from going inside the tool. Right, so the brush will be somewhere in this position, right, to make sure that the shaft or the piston is clean, you know, free from dust.